Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on assistive touch on your iPhone. Now look at what I'm talking about. I hope you can see this circle assistive touch rotating here. This will help me now to pinpoint any area I want you to see while doing my video recording, right? So if I want you to see this YouTube sign, I'll drag it there. So this is the assistive touch, and a lot of people do not know how to turn it on in their iPhone. So in this video I will be showing you. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and let's go. Now I will have to go to my settings. So this is my settings. I'll tap on settings, right? So when I tap on settings, I will go to accessibility. Now this is my accessibility. When you click on accessibility, you click on touch. I hope you can see touch here. Then you click on touch. Then this is the assistive touch, right? Say assistive touch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficult touching the screen, or if you require an adaptive accessory. So mine is on, and that is why it is showing. So I'll have to turn it off now, and you realize that this thing that is rotating here will disappear, and this will actually help you if you want to record something, if you want to show someone the actual place you want them to look at, where you want their attention to be. So that is the main essence of this video. So I will click here now to turn it off. So do you see, I just turned it off and everything is disappear. So right now I can't actually show you something right now with that particular circle, right? So but all I have to do now, I have to turn it on again, and it will appear. As you can see it here, it has appeared, and I can actually show you whatever I want to show you. So if you've been looking for a way to turn yours, maybe you want to record your screen, you want to show someone something on your screen, this is how to do that. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing a lot of updates to you guys. See you on the next one.